How to use the sum by color function in Excel. Excel has a powerful function called sum by color that allows you to sum cells based on their background color. This can be useful in situations where you need to perform calculations on cells that meet certain formatting criteria. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the sum by color function in Excel. This is the range of my data, and I need to get the total sales based on their colors. Instead of adding them manually, you can use the sum by color function. However, if you try to use this function in your worksheet, you won't find it. That's why we need to use VBA or Visual Basic Analysis. In this case, I already have the VBA code for the sum by color function. All you need to do is insert it into the module. In your worksheet, go to the Developer tab, select Visual Basic, then insert Module and paste the code. You can download this code from my Google Drive, and I will put the link in the comment section. After pasting the code, save it by using Ctrl+S, click Yes, and close the module. Now the sum by color function is already in our worksheet. To use this function, it is important to know the basic syntax. The basic syntax for this function is cell color and range. The first argument, cell color, is the background color of the cells you want to sum. The second argument, range, is the range of cells you want to sum. This should be entered as a cell reference, range name, or array. Now, we will apply this function to our data. Here, I want to get the sum of yellow, blue, and green cells. Start your formula with an equals sign, sum by color, open parenthesis, select the first argument, which is the color of a cell that you want to add. I will choose this cell, because I want to get the sum of yellow background. You can choose any cells that contain yellow, then, comma, and apply the second argument, which is the range of your data. Then, end your formula with a closing parenthesis, and hit enter. The total value of yellow is $124,788. Now, let's check if we get the correct answer by adding this manually. And we get the same answer. Another example, the blue one. Use the same formula, and for green, use the same formula as well. Now, you know how to sum your data with specific colors. In conclusion, the sum by color function is a powerful tool for summing cells based on their background color. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily use this function to perform calculations on cells that meet specific formatting criteria. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to drop a comment, and I'll do my best to answer. Please don't forget to like and share this video with others. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.